If you have a blank canvas and want to physically visualize your space before moving the furniture in or even purchasing, follow along to see how this can help you understand how to best utilize your space. Using your floor plans, measure out your space, entranceways, and note where all electrical, plumbing, and window/doorways are situated and how you would like to optimize them. Now for the fun part, virtual or in-store shopping. Gather all the measurements of your chosen pieces and jot them down.
How does masking tape fit into all of this?
Well, here is how. It's time to decide where we want to place our furniture. Create a visual representation of what that would look and feel like. Using my recorded measurements gathered earlier and my masking tape, I am now marking on the ground the length and the width of all of my chosen pieces. Take this opportunity to move through the space, imagining what it would feel like to pass between furnishings. If it feels like there's not enough room to move freely, you may need to consider another option. For example, a rounded corner, or maybe opt for multifunctional furniture to act as a space saver. Make sure to click save and follow along for more tips.